Grammar. Past simple. Look, listen, repeat. Actions that started and ended in the past. Friends come and go. They came and went. Expressions of past time. A minute ago, an hour ago, a month ago, a year ago. This morning, this afternoon, this evening. Last week, last month, last year. Yesterday. Verbs. Start. The action started in the past. End. The action ended in the past. Be. We were friends. Go. They went to school this morning. Leave. The train left the station a few minutes ago. Come. She came to my house last week. Become. They became friends after meeting on holiday. Stay. We stayed friends even after we left home. Make. She made friends with her classmates. Have. She had many friends. Meet. She met a friend for lunch an hour ago. Help. He helped a friend yesterday. Past simple. Regular verbs plus ed. Stay, stayed. Help, helped. Irregular verbs. Become, became. Make, made. Affirmative regular verbs. I stayed, you stayed, we stayed. He helped, she helped, it helped. Affirmative irregular verbs. I met, you met, we, they met. He had, she had, it had. Negative verbs. I did not stay. You did not stay. We did not stay. He did not go. She did not go. It did not go. Negative verbs contractions. I didn't make. You didn't make. They didn't make. He didn't help. She didn't help. It didn't help. Questions with regular and irregular verbs. Did I stay? Did you stay? Did they stay? Did he have? Did she have? Did it have? Short response, regular, irregular verbs. Yes, she did. No, he didn't. Questions and answers. Did he go to the pub? Yes, he did. He went to the pub. He met a female friend. They left together. Did they stay at the beach? Yes, they did. They stayed at the beach on holiday. Where did they meet? They met in school a few years ago. Did he help his friend? Yes, he did. He helped him yesterday. Did they stay friends? Yes, they did. They stayed friends all their lives. Did he have a pen friend? Yes, he did. He had a pen friend. Did she become friends with him? No, she didn't. They didn't become friends. Did he make friends in school? No, he didn't. He didn't make friends. Declarative sentences. When I lived in a block of flats, my neighbor became a good friend. I met Mr. Green a few years ago. He didn't become my friend. He was an acquaintance. When I went to school, I had 2 classmates who became dear friends. I played sports a few years ago. My teammates became my friends. When I was in my 20s, I worked in an office. My colleagues were friendly, but weren't good friends. I had a dog. His name was Toby. He was a loyal friend. Betty was my childhood friend. We were best friends in school. Tom was my e-pal. We played games online. He was my best gaming buddy. Kevin became my best friend when we worked together. We stayed friends for years. Mary became friends with my mother when they were young. They stayed friends for life. AI was like a virtual friend to me. AI helped me make real friends.